Kag sa numero 1 sa mga balita, subong nga adlaw. Disappointing. Inipaglantaw ni Negros Occidental Governor Eugenio Lacson sa press conference ang kahapon sa tatlo ka mga presidential candidates. Mas dako ang ginapabot kung tani sa mga pumuluyo kag ang nagwa sa press conference suno sa kay Lacson ang nahibaluan naman sa mga pumuluyo. Personal nga ginpaabot sang gobernador amuman ang pagpahayaga sang withdrawal sa mga low-ranking nga mga presidential candidate kag pagpabor kay Mayor Isko Moreno Domagoso nga isa sa tatlo ka mga nagpatawag sang press conference. Hindi man gani niya mahangpan kung ano ang luyag nga malambot na anday Domagoso. Senador Panfilo Lacson kag Norberto Gonzales. Si Lacson ang nagatib-ong sang kandidatura ni VP Leni Robredo. Nagapati nga ang panawagan kag ang nagagawa sa press conference hindi makaapekto sa kandidatura ni VP Leni. Nagapati naman si Anay Mayor Sonny Coscolluela, ang spokesperson sa BBM Sara sa Negros, nga ang natungdan nga press conference. Nagapakita nga si Anay Senador Ferdinand Marcos Jr. ang nagapanguna sa presidential race kag imposible na ang pag-overtake sa iya.
I thought that the press conference was a dud, D-U-D. People were expecting more than what they said yesterday. People were expecting that a couple of presidential candidates will withdraw in favor of another presidential candidate. I really think that there was no need for a press conference just to make that kind of an announcement. No? So, yun, it was very disappointing, and there was really no need for that press conference. I don't know what they were trying to achieve. It turns out it's only Mayor Isko who wants VP Leni to withdraw. Senator Lacson, I think, clarified and said that is not his position.
I would call this the last nail on the coffin of the number 2 candidate was the presscon yesterday of the 3 presidentiables. I do not want to touch on their own intramurals, but as far as we are concerned, these are the information that you can gather, which tells us why we will win. Number 1, the 3 other presidentiables acknowledge that BBM is number 1. They also said that at the rate things are going, the margin of BBM to number 2 is impossible to catch. The psychology of the Filipino voter, they go with the winner, they go with the llamado. So by saying that BBM is number 1 and there is no way number 2 can overtake number 1, that in itself will start a deluge of voters going to BBM.